You guys, look at my little Eskimo. Look at my little girl.
Bonjour, 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 bonjour.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night.
Good morning.
You guys, man, hope you guys are having a good day. Before I start my ranting, let me just tell you guys, have a good day. You guys have a good day, and you have a good day at school today, right?
Yes.
It's the last day of school of the week before the weekend.
Yes.
Right? You guys,
Mama,
yes,
when
Stella?
November,
You tell me. I am struggling. Let me just be real with you guys for a minute. I am struggling with getting up, doing my routine in the morning.
12 November.
Very good. I'm struggling with getting up and doing my routine in the morning, then work out. It's just not happening. So I'll have to map out a different method. Give me a hand. I'll have to map out a different method of how I'll get my workout in the day, because with breastfeeding in the night and waking up in the mornings and doing my routine with Tyler and then working out, it's just not happening. I am so tired in the morning because Sarah gets up like every 2 hours, sometimes 3, to breastfeed. And when I'm to go through that through the night and wake up in the morning, I am drained. The thing is, this is new to me. Breastfeeding is at night is new to me. When Tyler was a baby, come and sit here. When Tyler was a baby, Tyler didn't breastfeed. As you guys may or may not know, that Tyler was bottle fed.
Oh.
Because of he was in the ICU when he was born and digestive problems. So at the beginning, so Tyler didn't breastfeed. Tyler was bottle fed. So Tyler would sleep at night and wake up every 4 hours. So I'm used to that part, and I would get my 4-hour rest, and then he would wake up for his feed 1 or 2 times for the night, and then that's it. But to get up every 2 hours in the night, every 2.5 hours, yo, it's rough. And breastfeeding for 20 minutes or so and then go back to sleep and then wake up again, it's beating me. Like, it's really beating me. If you guys if any breastfeeding moms out there have any advice for me how to do this differently, I'll gladly take it.
Mama,
yes, Ty?
can we talk?
No, go find your rain shoes, put on your rain shoes and get your hat. It's going to rain.
Oh.
Come, I think your hat is in here.
Spider-Man hat.
Huh?
Spider-Man hat.
You want a Spider-Man hat?
Yeah.
Okay, it's on the jacket stand. So if you breastfeeding moms out there have any advice for me how to do this differently, I'll gladly take it. But I don't think there's any really method of doing it. You just have to do what works for your baby. Come. And right now she's waking every 2 hours, and it's not time to train her to sleep. Go put on your shoes. You talk to them after. Go put on your rain shoes out there. So yeah, I am really struggling to work out, and by the time babe get home in the evenings, with Sarah wanting so much attention in the days and I have so much to do, it's really hard for me to work out in the evenings when he get home. Put on your rain shoes. So your girl is struggling. I'm struggling a lot. So I don't know how I am going to go about doing this, but there has to be a way. There has to be a way for me to do it. So, Ty,
Yes, Mama.
there's no happy biscuit. You're gonna get dinosaur biscuit, okay?
Yay! Mama, you know birthday, you know what the son will bring to eat at gathering?
What?
Dinosaur biscuit.
Okay. Your bag. Where's your bag?
It's already
Carry it, come.
out.
So I'm really struggling right now to wake up and take Tyler to school and come back and work out. I thought I could do it, but boy, I'm struggling. So I'll have to find a different method. I'll sit and think about it because I need to get my workout in. Sarah is still sleeping. She's a bit tired. Normally she would have been up with me, and I'm also tired, but gotta go. When we come back, we'll go back into the bed. I am gonna go drop Tyler to school right now. So you guys have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I'm gonna keep going. Tyler wanted to talk to you guys, so I'm gonna leave you guys with Tyler while I go get ready for the day.
So, when I was a baby, when I had to cry, Mama had to give me some Advil. Right, Mama? Right, Mama?
Right.
And also, when I was a baby and Mama used to play with me, I had to pick up 2 toys and I can learn how to give. Right, Mama? Right?
Yes, right. You don't have to ask.
Wait, Faith. Mama?
You guys, look who's awake. Look who's awake and is in my bed. Look at her. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Look at her face. She's her brother. Good morning. Alright, it's time to get you dressed, pretty girl. Let me see that face. Good morning. Good morning, pretty. Good morning, princess forever. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, there we go. What you doing to your brother, girl? All done.
All down.
Get out of her face like that. Ready to go?
Ready to go? Let me carry you.
No, you can't carry her.
Yes.
Ty, you cannot carry her.
To carry.
You'll be able to carry her soon, not
I
now.
want to learn how to carry.
Yes, I'll teach you, but not now. She's too young. When she gets a little bit
No,
older. Excuse me. I don't think it's raining right now, but it will rain later.
Oh. Tomorrow.
Later. Tell Faith bye.
Bye.
Alright, you guys, we're out. My Zara, girl. You guys, it has been quite a day. I got everywhere fresh and got myself fresh, and my girl take a few naps, and it's just been raining. This rain doesn't seem like it's gonna stop any day. This rain doesn't seem like it's gonna stop anytime soon. I'll also take down my cornrows on my hair and just have my curls out. So I'm popping my natural hair today. Naturally. So that's what Sarah and I have been up to. She's been really clingy, like I told you guys, because of her teething. So I really I'm not having such a productive day, or should I say I'm having a productive day taking care of my girl. But we're just here chilling in this rain. I'm about to go and make dinner so that my baby boy can have dinner when he gets home. I know it's Friday night, so baby's not gonna have dinner when he gets home because we're gonna go to the supermarket. But yeah, I don't even know if we're gonna go to the supermarket in this rain, because it should be thunderstorming, and if it's thunderstorming really, then we're not gonna go, girl. We're gonna stay home. So let's see. I'm just gonna figure out what I'm gonna whip up for dinner, or maybe I won't even cook anything. Let's see. Sometime I just need a break from the kitchen, as much as I love to cook. What you want to say to the fish? She just want to talk so bad. What you want to say? What you want to say? Say. Look at that mouth. Wants to talk. What you want to say? Say it. Yes, say it. It's okay. The next thing that Sarah is doing these days is I cannot eat in peace. She wants my yogurt. She wants my food. She catch off after everything that I have in my hand. She's so frisky. She wants, I can't eat in peace because she wants it. She literally stick her tongue out and open up her mouth and wants it. Yes, I'm telling on you. I'm telling on you. I'm telling them how you want my food. I'm telling them how you want my food. Yes. Yeah. Look at her. She's just, What you doing, girl? Oh, Sarah. See her care face. What you doing? What you doing? Papa say you have kissy cheeks. Mwah. You have kissy cheeks? You have kissy cheeks? I'm going to go figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner, if I'm gonna cook or not. Who is home? That little face over there.
Good morning.
Ah, what? It's morning now? You guys, Ty is home and I did not cook today. But here goes dinner. Pizza. So that's dinner. So we're here waiting for babe to head to the supermarket. Right, Sarah? Right? Ty, you ready for your pizza?
Yes, but good afternoon.
You're funny. You're just realizing it's afternoon after you tell them good morning. I was just joking. You're too fun.
you doing? Damn it! I can't tell the free.
No, you're getting 2 and a donut, and you're gonna eat those all off. Okay?
And I'm going to want one more.
No, eat 2 slices.
Bonjour, 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 bonjour.
Papa, je peux regarder tout ce qu'il y a dedans?
Say hello to the babes. They're looking at you.
Hi! It's Friday night. It's the weekend. So we're gonna go supermarket. So we are free for the weekend. Well, it's raining, so boring.
Pizza for dinner.
Smells good. Is already there?
Yeah, that's yours.
I'm gonna eat something.
Might as well eat all of it. Look at my little Eskimo. Look at my little girl. Sarah wear this. This is her very first outfit she wear at the hospital. We're just coming off the road. We're just coming from the supermarket, and she's hungry, so I'm gonna feed her while the boys do supermarket haul, and then I'm gonna make some fries because everybody is hungry.
Hey yo! Hey yo, Tyler! What you gonna do?
I'm doing what I'm doing.
What you doing?
And you know what I'm doing.
Me, I know, but does the faves know what you're doing? Because you're hidden on the bottom.
You know what you're doing.
What you doing? You doing the supermarket?
I'm doing this supermarket haul.
Really? But I don't see you showing nothing.
Yes, I am.
Okay, so what did you show? I didn't hear and see nothing.
I saw nothing.
Okay, so where is nothing? Show me nothing. You don't know what to say now. Thank you. Hi guys, this is Melissa's favorite smell.
That is my dirty smell.
Oh yes.
Cut it out.
No, I
2
already
biscuits.
seen
Tyler
that.
already showed them.
Oh, okay. Oh, that was nothing? Okay, let's go. Go. What is that? Is some yogurt. What is the yogurt test? Is coconut. Yogurt is a French specialty. I mean, cheap in France. So we have a lot of yogurt. Where's the yogurt coming from, Tyler?
What your song says there? What the song says the yogurt
And
is
that
from?
too. With
That's
chocolate.
Papa breakfast. Where's the yogurt coming from, Tyler, in the song?
Nothing.
Bulgaria. Alright, it's coming from Bulgaria. So if anybody from Bulgaria, maybe that's where it's coming from. Donut yogurt.
All the way.
Tomatoes.
Yes, Mama.
Come on, be nice.
What is that for, Tyler?
Nice.
What is that for? It's tissue because Tyler cry a lot, so you need to clean his tears. No. A lot of planting. What's going on with the planting? You fell for planting this time?
I eat plantain for breakfast every morning. If I don't have eggs, then I need substitute.
But you have eggs and planting.
Egg
not
white. The
Alright.
yolk is in the bin.
Hmm?
Yolk is in the bin.
Yolk?
The yellow part is in the bin.
Oh. Sweet pepper, that's how you call that. Sweet pepper. Every color. Oh, you find back the yellow. Okay. I'll add some more tomatoes, baby tomatoes, some juice for me when I want to snitch on Tyler juice. That's the one I drink.
Where's Tyler?
Some cashew, some more juice. Time.
To the hall with Papa.
Time. This is something that is a specialty of the south of France. I don't know if you use that in a...
Time is specialty of south of France?
Oh yeah. You're going in the street, you're going in park from where I grew up. You don't, people, if you buy that at the supermarket, they laugh at you. You just take that from the outside. Yeah.
Okay.
Shrimp.
I think that's already.
Okay, sorry.
Shrimp.
2 packets of shrimp. Wow.
Yeah.
So somebody that ride that shrimp also helped babe to have a strong smell. So I guess that's why she take egg.
You're obsessed with smell. You're obsessed with smell, you're obvious.
Vanilla yogurt.
It's not your yogurt. It's from
It's
Mama.
her yogurt.
Yeah?
Not you.
Okay. Cashew.
It's for me and Mama.
Okay, this is bread for Mama. What kind of bread is that? Quinoa bread? Quinoa everywhere. Quinoa everywhere. Oh, you finally get back your Madeleine. Your little cake. Alright, let's see what Tyler didn't show. Some more yogurt. Yogurt for Papa. Yogurt for Papa. A lot of yogurt for Papa. I'm yogurt fan. So that's it.
No, there's nothing.
We have some more bags to show.
Yes.
Oh yes, we have 2 bags. 2 more bags. Let's come with, oh, this one heavy, Tyler.
Yes.
If the cost of a supermarket was the weight,
Too heavy.
well, a lot of tissue that's a need. You don't want to be out of that in the house. You don't want to be out of
For
that.
Mama and Papa and me to do caca right on bathroom.
No. No.
Because I love chicken.
You love chicken?
I bought it with friends over the chicken.
Honey, turn on the fryer.
Yeah, you don't smell it? Tyler, what is that? What kind of ball is that? Basketball? Football?
No, not the boy.
It's-
It's the boy.
It's what? It's cauliflower.
It's
Cauliflower
cabbage.
ball. It's cabbage ball.
Supposed to be the dropping Tyler head.
Well, Tyler,
Christ. It's heavy.
it's heavy for Tyler head. It just, oh, it feels like a
Cookie.
cookie. What if it's like,
Cookie.
it's heavy.
It's very heavy.
You can use as a medicine ball.
It's not
Walk out.
and the
We always drink a lot of juice.
Chicken.
More chicken, Tyler?
Yes.
It sounds like he's gonna bake in
This
the
week,
oven.
the last box of juice that pulled, I only had 1 glass from it.
Hey, Tyler?
And I was surprised this morning when I saw it.
You know, I was surprised too. I didn't drink that much from it too. I was surprised. I don't know, Tyler, it's you that drink so much
That I
apple
don't
juice?
drink no apple juice.
What you mean you don't drink no apple juice?
You give him apple juice?
Yes,
When?
man.
I haven't eaten apple.
Exactly. Stop lying at Tyler. It's not Ty.
Last bag.
It's you. Guilty on your
Last
face.
Alright, show Faves what is in the last bag.
No, Papa.
Help him make it go fast.
What is that? Trees. A
Yes.
lot of trees. We don't have no
Yes,
backyard or little backyard.
trees.
So she wanted to go get flowers, so she got flowers. Trees.
An apple on the tree, but
Some more
some
more trees, some more
on the tree, and
salad.
they're going
But the things they're not seeing you. Another green. This time I put all of the green everywhere. I feel depressed when I take all of this green.
Papa,
Yes, Tyler.
You know that we buy
Another
apple
salad.
from
What's
the
the
tree?
salad? Another salad. At least you eat that at lunch when I'm not there. That's good.
Another beach ball.
Zucchini. That's zucchini. So you eat zucchini, or you took that for me?
What's that?
You don't get soup every evening when you come home.
Oh, the zucchini soup.
What's that?
What's that? What is that, Tyler?
I don't know.
You know what is it? It's a bunny ears. Look carefully. That's bunny ears. That's
Oh yes,
bunny ears. You see? You see that's bunny ears.
That's exactly how your damn ears was supposed to stay. You put it back again. Put it back again. Let me see how cute you look. I saw your ears should have stayed for real.
Alright guys, that's it for today. We got a lot of fun things today. We got a good amount of things.
Could you drop the fries in the fryer, please?
Yeah, we were surprised. Alright, so
It's unusual. It's a usual.
It's usual.
Exact same thing every week.
alright, we hungry now. We're gonna eat some fries, very
Again.
healthy fries.
Healthy fries.